Hey everyone, so today I have a new video for you and I have some stitch beans and I have two varieties. So this is series 1 and I also have series 2. So each bag comes with 3 different beans and I have 5 bags of each, so that's 15 different beans. And there are 12 to collect and 1 secret. And in this one, it's the same thing. There's 12 to collect and 1 secret. It looks like the secret is 1 out of 96. Everything else is 1 out of 12. And these are both by Grand Jester Studios, and it is licensed. So we're gonna go ahead. We'll start with series 1 first. So here's series 1. You can get Stitch and you can get Angel, or is that just Pink Stitch? I'm not sure. But basically it's stitched in different colors and they have different designs. So there's like the regular ones, they have glossy ones, matte ones, and kind of like translucent ones, metallic ones, pearly ones. So they're all really good. I want to try to get as many as I can. Any doubles I get, I will be sending to a friend that I know is a super Stitch fan. So let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, so you get a bag of beans. And I see lots of pink. So here is the first stitch that we have. It is the pearly pink stitch. Let's just go ahead and check it off as we get it. And this one is the glossy pink hearted stitch. We have that. Oh, you could just rip off the tops. Ooh, we have the translucent resin stitch. I like this one a lot. So we have 3 different textures right here, and they're all pink. This was the pink bag. It's this one right here. Let's keep going. I guess this doesn't have a little tear strip at all. So we have a metallic stitch with its mouth open. This is so pretty. I believe it's this one. Oh, look, he's just sitting there, so cute. It's the regular plain stitch. Next one. Oh. We have the silver stitch. It's metallic with crazy mouth. So we have this one. So far so good. Next bag. And we have a purple one. This is so pretty. I love the glossiness of this one. Purple. Next one. It's a double. We have another pearly pink one. We need more standing ones. We only have sitting ones. This one's pretty cool. It's like a clear one. It's kind of like cool colors with like a little orange foot. I think it's supposed to be this one right here, but it looks a little different from that one. I'm just gonna put a dot on it because I'm not sure if that's a secret one or not, but I feel like it's this one. Okay, next one. We have another clear pink one, so it's another double. We have another purple glossy one, another double. And another metallic one with the crazy mouth. Okay, last one. It'd be nice if we can get a couple more new ones. So it looks like another pink one with heart eyes. Oh, another purple one. It's a triple this time. And, ooh. It's a glossy one. It's a new one. It's a glossy Happy Stitch. we got Glossy Happy Stitch. And I feel like the one we got is this one. The rainbow is just a little off, so we'll circle that. So that means we're missing 1, 2, and 3, and then the secret number 4. Oh, it looks like the secret's actually 1 out of 108 chance too, so there was no way. So that means we're just really missing 3 of them. Okay. So for the next one, we're gonna do the UFO series, which is series 2. And it's the same poses, but different designs. It looks like there's like a glow-in-the-dark one and some different kind of gradients. And it's a different color scheme, so I'd say that's definitely super cute. And I want to hope that we can get some different ones. I really love this pastel stitch. Some beans. And right off the bat, we have a metallic stitch sitting down. I think it's this gradient one right here. Next one. Oh, another metallic stitch, and this one's gold. This one right here. Oh, this one's so pretty. It's like a pearly head on top. And then kind of a purple body on the bottom. I like this one a lot. Right here. Time to open bag number 2. No! Already a double! We have a gold one. Look! We got the pastel one that I wanted. Oh, it looks like a baby stitch, so cute. Baby stitch. And we have this metallic one. This is pretty crazy. It's like a gradient of purple to blue. There's lots of metallics in this one. Okay, that is stitch right there. And then this actually has a little tear thing, which is super convenient. We have the crystal clear pink stitch. This one. So we have a crystal blue stitch, but this one is like more of a matte consistency instead of a glossy one. That's pretty cool. So that is... Wait, it says 7 out of 96. What does that mean? Is that a rare one? Okay, next one. And this is a sitting down metallic stitch with kind of green tips. So that is this one. Next bag. We'll probably get a couple more doubles now. Whoa, I like this stitch so much. It's another pastel baby blue stitch, but with like kind of a pink head. Okay. Ooh, this is a little crystal blue stitch with glitter. And look, you can even see like the inside of the head. There's like a little pole inside. That looks like it is... That looks like it's this one right here. And we have a double. Here's the last bag. A double clear stitch. This is a triple. Oh, this is cute. It's a little pink stitch with heart eyes. And it's pastel. I love it. I love this pastel series. Okay, so we got this one. That means we're missing only this one here and then the secret. I wonder if the 7 out of 96 though really means that it's rare or it's a misprint. Because if it is, we got one of the rare ones. Not the super rare, but we got one of them. So here are all the different stitch beans that we have, and these are great. I have been collecting lots of beans lately, but usually it's been Pop Mart Finding Unicorn, and now these stitch ones. If they have a series 3, I'm gonna have to grab a couple bags because they are too cute. I definitely do love like the glossy ones the best, like this pink heart one right here, I love. I also love this one right here. I also love this one right here, but they're all really cute. And I have all these doubles to give to my friends. So it's a win-win situation. I hope you all enjoyed this video and thank you all for watching.